Now on our USD CAD, as we can see on our daily time frame, I will be analyzing it. You can see a fall, a pullback, a fall, right? You can see the low area here. We can now see the pullback to this our area. Now we are expecting a fall on our USD to our CAD. Exactly what we are planning to trade for the week. Now let's go on our USD index by the way. This is exactly what we will be planning for our USD index to go. Our USD index should actually be closing bearish for the week. So probably is a little bit of a come down, a bullish move, or exact a little bit of a bullish move, probably giving us like a double top area here. Possibly we might not even have that move, but above all, our USD index should actually be closing bearish for the week. So once our USD index is closing bearish, then our USD to our CAD, which our USD should actually be closing bearish. That is why I said if we are to analyze it on a daily time frame, you would see we would possibly be closing this around 1.27. Currently we are trading at 1.28. This week we should be closing below 1.27, below 1.27, or possibly take out this our high, this lows here, this our liquidity area here. So I mean, by the way, it depends on how you want to trade it, or when to enter or when to trade it. But I mean, we are still on a bearish time frame. That is on our daily time frame. Now on our 4-hour time frame, by the way, we are still bearish on our 4-hour time frame on our USD CAD. Now that we've analyzed our USD index and we can see our USD CAD, both our daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, you will see that we are actually dropping. So let's aim to short our USD CAD for the week. So that is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you very much.